Holding all of this currency, the mathematical bank, Mr. Dylan. Counting all this moolah with thin Dylan ultimate mathematics. Gotta take these actions and steps to be who you were created to be. Hey, radical equation, fourth video of the series. Let's go ahead and get to our problem of the day. We got 3x plus 28 equals the square root of x divided by 5. Also, that's a square root too. My bad. I didn't say that. But hey, y'all already know what the dealio is. Go ahead and just get to it. So we got the first step of the day. First step, we're going to square both sides, all right? So square both sides. When we square both sides, we're gonna have to square this side. I shouldn't have wrote this too close, but it's cool. Square both sides, it's gonna cancel out, cancel out. That's gonna cancel this square root. All right, so now we can go ahead and bring down our rest of our equation right here. Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit more. All right, so we got 3x plus 28 equals x divided by 5. All right, so I think y'all know what's the next step. Next step into this little thing we got going on right now. So we got the second step right here. We're gonna divide both, we're gonna multiply. Oh my goodness, what's going on with me? Multiply both sides by 5. What's going on with me, man? What's going on with me? My bad, my bad. So multiply both sides by 5, put that in parentheses. This is gonna cancel out right here. Numerator, denominator, both got 5, so that's gonna cancel. Go ahead and bring this down. We got 3 times 3x times 5. That's going to give us a 15x. And then we're going to have 28. 28 times 5. We can go ahead and do that real quick. So 28 times 5. 8 times 5 is going to be a 40. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 4. That's going to be 140 for us. So we got 140. So we can do 15x plus 140 on this side. 5 and 5, like I said, cancel. So we're going to have to just be left with our x on this side, all right? So bang. We done simplified our little equation. Got the radicals out. I mean, our little square roots out the way. So let's go ahead and get to it. We're going to have our third step. And our third step is going to be, so we want to get our x variables on the same side. We got to get our numbers on the opposite side. Simple math that we done already did before. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna subtract 15x from both sides. All right, so we're gonna subtract 15x from this side. Then we're gonna subtract 15x from this side. Go ahead and draw a line. That's gonna cancel out, give us 0. Go ahead and bring that 140 down. 140 down. Look. So now it's gonna give us, we got 140 equals, all right, x minus 15x. So it's basically 1x minus 15x. That's just going to give us a negative 14x, all right? So now we done simplified our equation a little bit more. So now we just got to figure out what x is. So when we figure out what x is, what color have I used? I ain't used yellow. We're going to go with a little gold for the day. So now we got this. That's our third step. So now we're going to the fourth step. Fourth step. Now, y'all should already know what we about to do. We about to divide both sides by negative 14, man, so we can get our x and see what our x is going to equal. So my negative 14, get this x by itself, divide this by negative 14, divide this by negative 14. That's going to cancel, give us just a 1x, so that's going to leave us with, we're going to have x equals, all right, 140 divided by 14. Y'all should already know it's going to be a negative. Negative times a negative always equals a positive. So it's going to be a negative 10 for our final answer for today. And let me write this final answer at the bottom. Bang, bang. Hey, just yellow. Had to end off with the yellow. And we're going to highlight it with the yellow. Also, that means it's about to be a great day for whoever's watching this video. Already. Shining, 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 shining bright, shining bright. There we go. Negative 10 equals X for the final answer. Hey, peace and blessings go out to everybody viewing and tuning in with your boy, Mr. Dylan. Appreciate y'all. Hey, don't forget, holding all of this currency, the mathematical bank, Mr. Dylan. Count all this moolah. within. Dealing ultimate mathematics. A process. It's the daily actions and steps you take to be the living soul the Almighty Creator created you to be. It's being forged by the fire, the water, the air, and the dirt to be made in the image of the Almighty Creator. Process. Process. Hey, but that's all I got for y'all today. Tune in with me again, Mr. Dylan. Catch y'all later. Catch you soon. Peace.